bases are the same, okay, when bases are the same, you multiply, you add the powers, right? 2 plus 5 is 7, okay? And we say that when an exponent is raised to an exponent, let's say x to the 2 raised to 5, okay, all you do is you multiply the exponents, okay, like this here, x raised to the 2 and then the whole thing raised to 5. You just multiply the 2 and 2, multiply the exponents, okay, that's 2 times 5, and then x will be raised to the 10, okay. So basically what that's what the multiplication part is. Just add the exponents if bases are the same, okay. So now we come into the division part, okay. If bases are the same, again, if bases are the same, okay, let me write division of exponents, dividing exponents, right? Dividing exponents, dividing exponents, okay, okay. Dividing exponents, or maybe I write it with white, okay. Dividing with exponents, okay. Dividing exponents, dividing exponents, okay. So in this case, in division also, if the bases are the same, say for example we have, okay, say for example we have x to the 6, okay, divided by x to the 3, okay, x to the 6 divided by x to the 3. So here again the bases are the same. You see, the base here is x, the base here is x. What you do, you subtract, okay, you subtract the exponent of the denominator from the exponent of the numerator, like this. You say x, that's the base, and then you say 6 minus 3, okay, which will equals to x to the 3. 6 minus 3, that's 3. And if you look at it, like we say x to the 6, x to the 6 is the same as saying x times x times x times x times x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? X to the 6, that's what it means. X multiplied by itself 6 times, okay, divided by x times x times x. X, that's this x to the 3. So these here, the x and x are the same, they're canceling out, they're gonna cancel out, right? X cancels x, and then x cancels x, and then x cancels x. So what you left with is x 3 times. So which means you will have x times x times x over 1. That's the same as just x times x times x, right? So this is x to the 1, x to the 1, x to the 1, right? So if bases are the same, the multiplication rule says add the exponents. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So we have x to the 3. The same thing that we get over here, x to the 3. Okay, the same thing that we get here is the same thing we get here. This is the reason why they say if the bases are the same, when you divide in exponents, then just subtract the exponents from each other. Like here, x to the 6 minus 3 is x to the 3. That's why we have it here like this. X to the 6 is the same as this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, divided by x to the 3, 1, 2, 3. So they cancel each other out. How many is left? 3. Okay, 3 x's. So that means x to the 1, x to the 1, x to the 1. Bases are the same. We go back to the multiplication rule, add the exponents, and then you have x to the 3. Okay? Okay. Again, we're gonna have
7.
Okay?